Hello and thank you for joining us once again here on the channel and to another video where we're back in Blackpool to show you what is opening, when it's opening and what safety measures are going to be put in place. We are going to take you down the Golden Mile once again to see what attractions here on the promenade will be reopening. Yes, make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates of Blackpool in due course, and if you like the video let us know and let everyone else know that you've enjoyed it by giving us a big thumbs up. The first stop we're going to make though is, of course, the Blackpool Tower. The Blackpool Tower, operated by Merlin Entertainments, reopens from the 4th of July and will be open every day 10 AM till 4 PM weather permitted. Tickets must be purchased online prior to visiting for capacity reasons, as you will require to book a time slot. Anyone wishing to use vouchers can do via the webpage, as well as annual pass holders. If you're an existing ticket holder, then these can still be used, but you must book a time slot via the webpage before visiting. There'll be a link to the Blackpool Tower website in the description below. Please note that the Blackpool Tower Circus, Ballroom, the 5th floor and dungeons will remain closed until further notice. Like the Blackpool Tower, the Sea Life Centre and Madame Tussauds open 4th of July too, however they will remain closed Mondays and Fridays until further notice. All three attractions operated by Merlin will adapt the social distancing as well as regular cleaning, one-way systems, reduced contact and sanitisation stations. We also believe that the tower lifts will be running at a much lower capacity as normal too. The arcades here can open from the 4th of July. Although we expect cleaning to be extensive throughout each arcade, we expect different systems to be in place for each arcade depending on size and capacity. So we do advise you do check out these before entering the arcades. If you're hoping to catch a tram here whilst you're in Blackpool, then unfortunately the trams are not currently running. We are hoping that the trams and heritage trams do make a return towards the end of July, however we will keep you informed in those updates. There is a replacement bus service, which is the number 1, which runs the whole length of the network. The piers here in Blackpool have confirmed that they will open from the 4th of July. The fun fair will be open weather dependent following regular cleaning and social distancing on each pier. The arcade should open as normal with systems in place to operate safely. Each pier also has some form of bar in which we cannot comment will open as they won't be able to offer any entertainment. However, we will continue to update you on this in our live updates found in the description below. The Blackpool Pleasure Beach will reopen from the 4th of July. With reduced capacities once again, you will need to book this in advance. The rides will be running with distancing measures in place such as missed out seats, however there will also be a few ride closures such as Impossible and the Chinese Puzzle Maze. You won't be able to purchase entry only tickets, so the admission is only via purchased e-tickets. Queue lines will be set out with their infamous stand behind the yellow line markers, as well as one-way systems in certain places of the park. Regular cleaning of rides, restraints and bars are in full operation, with most rides running at full capacities, such as Icon with 3 trains, where possible to combat queues. The Pleasure Beach has said that certain rides will require face masks, so please take 2 with you. You can also purchase these at the Pleasure Beach if you wish. All updated information of the park, rides, opening times and COVID related information are available on their website, blackpoolpleasurebeach.com. Unfortunately, not all attractions here in Blackpool were lucky enough to be opening on 4th of July. The Sandcastle Water Park will remain closed from the 4th of July due to it being a water park where government rulings have kept them closed. This is unfortunate due to the fact that the Sandcastle was actually ready to open from the 4th of July, as they've already made amendments to changing rooms and their facilities within. However, we do hope to update you very shortly when the park will reopen. Do check out our description below as we update live feeds there. So there we go, that's everything that you need to know for the attractions here on Blackpool Prom. But before we do wrap this up, take a look at some of these honourable mentions. The Blackpool Zoo will be open from the 29th of June. This will be capacitated, so you do need to book this in advance. In the zoo itself there'll be hand sanitizer points as well as one-way markings on the ground. All indoor animal houses and animal walkthroughs will be closed, and there'll also be more measures in the zoo as you arrive. Formula Kart, which is located Blackpool North by the cabin, is open from the 4th of July. They'll be doing extensive cleaning after each race and will be taking bookings online. You can find them on Facebook by searching Formula Kart Blackpool. If it's shops that you're after, then the shops and the Hounds Hill Shopping Centre are open. The usual social distancing will be in place, as well as one-way systems around shops. Selective restaurants will be open from the 4th of July too, again with social distancing in place. And if it's souvenirs that you're after, well, there's plenty of them on the promenade. Adventure Golf and Karting 2000, both based between South Pier and the Pleasure Beach, are already open at weekends, but will be open daily from the 4th of July. Extra steps have been taken to ensure that social distancing is met, as well as cleaning. Finally, if it's an overnight stay that you're after, then most hotels and B&Bs are ready for the 4th of July, whereas a few others will be opening later in the month. However, don't expect too much than a room, as things like entertainment and swimming pools will not yet be available. We'd strongly recommend that you view online and book online to guarantee your stay. The hotels and B&Bs that we've spoken to are all putting in place systems to keep you and your family safe. That comes to the end of today's video here in Blackpool. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope this has helped you plan your visit here over the summer. Like I say, we will keep you informed of any changes between now and then. If you just scroll down into the description, there will be a live update of everything that changes in due course. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up by hitting that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to keep informed for any more updates as we do more updates of Blackpool and the surrounding areas. If you do come to Blackpool, make sure you take care of yourself and remain the 1 metre plus rule from the 4th of July. And also, if you do go onto the beaches, make sure you keep yourself spaced out and take litter home with you. But from here in Blackpool, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. See you later.